Welcome to Not 100% Accurate. What I plan in this episode 1, what I plan to do is make a Gonk Droid out of these containers that I got from the dollar store, folks, the Dollar Tree. If you put two of them together, as you see, it makes a small Gonk Droid. Of course, it's not going to be a big Gonk Droid. I want to make a small one because the small one's going to become a piggy bank. What I plan to do, I plan to use, this is from the baby wipes. That's supposed to go on top so you can put your money in. It's going to open. And random Final Fraction pieces and other things. This is from Final Fraction. This lid is from one of the little juices. I'm not going to say the name of the juice that I get this lids from. That's going to be the restraining bolt. If you know what the restraining bolt is on the Droid. And other random Final Fraction pieces in here that I also got from the dollar store. Well, now it's $1.25. Everybody knows that. And then other greeblies. I call them greeblies. I got a whole bunch of greeblies in here. I hope you like my video and share it. Give me a thumbs up so I can keep on doing this. I also got different videos from different items that I made. Every week I'll come out hopefully with a new video. If I get enough likes on this video, I will come out with more. This is just part 1 of Not 100% Accurate because it's a small Gonk Droid, or you could say a mini Gonk Droid from Star Wars, of course. And every week I plan to make something and post it out. Hopefully you like my videos and share them with some other people. Remember, this show is called Not 100% Accurate. My name is J13 and I hope you have a good day. And I got the sand off camera, or I can do it on camera. I probably do it on camera, but right now I'm using my cell phone. So maybe next time I will get one of them, a better camera. And this is my first video. And I would like to see if anybody else can make something. If I can do it, you can do it. So yeah. And then my tools are right here. My drill. My screwdriver kits. I got little screws to try to make it look like Star Wars accurate. I got these little screws. And what's cool about these screws, if you can see the edge of it, you use a L wrench to tighten it up. And they look like from Star Wars. They don't look like real screws. And the name of my show is Not 100% Accurate. I hope you give me some thumbs up. Remember, I'm going to sand this off camera. All you do is get some sanding paper and then you sand. You got to sand your plastic first before you paint it. But I'm going to sand it first and show you what I'm going to do with these little containers. These going to be the legs, or you could say the legs of the Gonk Droid when the Gonk Droid walks. It's not going to walk, of course. But when I'm done, video 2, you'll see where all the stuff will go in there. I got random parts here, and I plan to use this, of course, and other little greeblies that I have here from Final Fraction. Let me see. I'm going to use that. I plan to use this. And after I'm done, I plan to, of course, spray paint it. And then when I'm done, I'll show you what it looks like. And hopefully you like it. I plan to put lights inside of it and other things. And we will see the finished product. And this is part 1 of Not 100% Accurate. And I'll see you in part 2. Please give me likes. And you can leave comments. I like to read the comments. And if you have other pictures and stuff of what you do, send it to me. Thank you. Have a good day.